What's up everybody, Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick comparison review between ExpressVPN and StrongVPN. So if you've been wondering which is better VPN service, then you're in the right place. And then, after this short comparison review, be sure to check out the links I'll put in for a full review. And be sure to check out the links I'll put to a full review of ExpressVPN and StrongVPN in the video description below if you'd like to learn more. Now, ExpressVPN is one of the top VPNs in the world, but StrongVPN has been at this for a while, since 1995 actually. And those years of experience have paid off, as StrongVPN remains a very good product on a lot of different levels. Both of these VPNs offer 256-bit AES encryption, protocols such as OpenVPN and L2TP, IPSec, and a range of wonderful features. But the question is, how much better is Express overall? Well, the first thing that I always look at is the speed of each VPN. And to be perfectly honest, this is always a bit of an unfair fight with Express, as it's continually the fastest VPN around. But StrongVPN also performs well in terms of speed, achieving better upload and download speeds than many of the other popular VPNs, and it's entirely suitable for streaming without buffering. But ExpressVPN can still provide better video quality and even faster speeds. And I'm betting that has to do with the quality of their server networks. ExpressVPN offers an adequate 3,000 servers in 148 locations across 94 countries around the world. And then StrongVPN has 650 overall server locations, but they are crammed into just 20 countries. So your options are a bit limited. Now, as for the quality of customer support, both VPNs provide outstanding customer support, which is very important. Also, Express and Strong have 24/7 live chat, fast email ticketing, as well as large knowledge bases and plenty of video tutorials on their website. So there's not much of a difference between the two in this department. Okay, now in terms of ease of use, if you're new to VPNs, I found that downloading and installing ExpressVPN was fast and easy. Then after opening the app, I was able to stream my favorite shows on Netflix and Hulu without a problem. And there wasn't any buffering thanks to the superior speeds of ExpressVPN. I tested my IP address in numerous countries without a problem, as well as I found that the interface was easy enough for even a beginner to use. And if you want to get around China's firewall, there is a solution for that. Just download ExpressVPN prior to your arrival, and you should be good to go. Express can be installed on an Android device or laptop, iPhones, and the like. And then with your connection, you can still visit your favorite sites and protect your information from prying eyes. Another thing to note is that ExpressVPN can unblock content on most any streaming platform. Another reason why it's so popular. Along the same lines, StrongVPN is pretty user-friendly, and after a standard registration process, you can download and set up Strong rather quickly. It's also nice that Strong's interface itself is a lot simpler than it used to be, and most novice users should be able to find their way around with little effort. Manual configurations are a bit harder than with most VPN services, which some may find annoying at first. Even so, its simplicity works well, and everything is mostly the same on each of Strong's platforms, whether it's the desktop, mobile, or reader tablets. Fortunately, StrongVPN can unblock most streaming platforms, including, there's Netflix, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, and more. It also bypasses China's firewall and allows P2P file sharing. And finally, as far as pricing, ExpressVPN's starting price is just under $7 a month and can be used simultaneously on up to 5 devices with a 30-day money-back guarantee. StrongVPN, on the other hand, runs just under $4 a month and supports up to 12 devices. Now, even with the price difference, I think ExpressVPN offers a better value with its faster performance and more reliable server network. So, which VPN should you choose? Well, StrongVPN is a solid VPN that performs well on nearly every level, don't get me wrong. And it also offers extra services like strong DNS, but while StrongVPN is a good value and excels at unblocking content, in my opinion, ExpressVPN is vastly superior in terms of speed and its unblocking content on nearly every platform as well. Not to mention access to more server countries. So overall, I have to give ExpressVPN the edge on this one. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful, and if so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as that always makes my day. And just a reminder, if you are interested in trying out ExpressVPN, be sure to click on the special discount link I'll put in the description area below so that you can save some money. Also, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to our cyber family. Be sure to stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.